Hello friends, in this video we will take a look at how to insert bullets, bullet icons and do some bullet formatting. So let's get started and let's see how to use bullets. So first of all, why are bullets used? So whenever we have paragraphs, right? So whenever we have paragraphs and we want to structure them properly, we will be using bullets. So they help us to pinpoint what are the points, what are the main points, because in the format of a paragraph, right, everything seems to be clubbed together, but we want that we want to individually put the points together in the form of bullets, so that it's more readable and we are able to present our topic in a much more effective way. So let's get started and let's see how to add bullets. So I have taken a fresh slide here, and let's insert a text box. So I'm going to uh, home tab, go to text box, and now click on the slide. So we have a text box. Now I write things to do. So suppose whatever is your list, that whatever paragraph you want to structure in the form of bullets, you can do it like this. So I will say, suppose my things to do has send a mail and walk in the park and probably read a book. So these are the three items that I have. And now what I want to do is I want that if you see, we have these items, right? So let me make it a little bigger so that's easy to see. So now what I want to do is that I want these three items: send a mail, walk in the park, and read a book. So these items I want in the form of bullets. So what I will do is I will select these like this, and then I will go to the home tab only. If you see these in just below the shape format, right, like the location is might be different, but if you look at this, you have something, you can see dots here, right, and if you hover over it, it will show bullet points. So what you can do is either you can directly click this, so you see that three dots have come on the slide before these three. But suppose I do not want to use a circular dot, I want something else. So what I will do is I will again select these three, and I'm going to again go to that bullet section, and in the bullet points, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the drop down menu. So click on the drop arrow, and now you see you have so many options, in which you can display the bullets. So let's select this one, hollow round bullets. So now see, the bullets have become hollow, right? So this is one way. Now let me copy and show you another way. So now let's say I have this, and what I want to do is I want to have a bullet formatting like these arrows. So arrow bullets. So let's change it to this. So now you see, so this is a different way of representing the bullets, and some points, and some places in the slides, you can use these kind. Somewhere you can use hollow dots, somewhere you can use rounded dots, and somewhere you can use arrow bullets. So depending on where you want to use, but make sure that the slides are consistent and you don't overuse the bullets. It's like somewhere you're using hollow bullets, somewhere you're using arrow points. So that might not look very good. So make sure that on one slide at least, everything should be all the bullets should be of same type. It should not be like you are using one of the bullets as an arrow and the other two are like dots. So this is really a very bad format, and we should avoid this kind of practice. For a proper presentation, make sure that on at least one slide, all the bullets that you are using, they should be of the same type. So we should not overuse the features also. That's an important point to keep in mind, but this was one way to add the bullets. Now let us see how to add bullet icons. So let me use the above one. So let's select this text and let's again go to this option. Now you see bullet points and numbering right at the bottom. Click on this, and now you see customize. You see the customize option here, right? So in the customize option, you click on the three dots. So when you click on three dots, you see what are these icons. You'll see whatever commonly used smileys are available to you. You can use those. So for example, I want to use something like this hand button I want to use. So I will click this. After clicking, you press OK. And now what okay, it didn't happen. Let me select again. So let me go to bullets. Now let me go to bullet point and numbering. Now let me click on customize, okay, and then let me select this and double click. Yeah, now it is selected. So now it will show up here, okay. So now when it is showing here, click OK. So now you see it has changed to this: things to do, send a mail, walk in the park, read a book. Okay, like this it has changed. So this is how, okay, you can use the bullets. Okay, I mean, whatever icons you want to use, you can use like this. The other thing that I wanted to show you, okay, was again, for example, in this one, okay, select the text, okay, that you want. Now suppose sometimes what happens is I want that, you know, this heading, okay, things to do, this should be bigger, okay, and my bullets, okay, should probably be a little smaller, okay, so that, because everything is of the same font, right, so it doesn't look very nice. So let me say things to do, I will change this to say font 36, okay. So this is one way, okay, that you can do it. Or and I can make this a little smaller, the bullet points. So I can do this using bullet formatting only. So go to bullets, bullet point and numbering, and here you see size, right, size I can change. So from here, let us say I enter 80 and click OK. So now if you see, right, so the bullets, the size of the bullets, okay, the round dots, okay, that has become smaller. Similarly in this case, okay, let us try it out. So I want, so this is called bullet formatting, right? So I want that if for all these three, okay, the bullet, the hand arrow, okay, that should have a smaller size. So I will again go to bullet point and numbering, and I will change this to 60, okay, and click OK. So now we see the arrows have become smaller, right? So this is how you can make the bullets, okay, like the size of the bullet according to how you want to use it, okay. So these are the ways, okay, using which you can use bullets in your slides, and we also saw like how we can format the bullets, right, the size of the bullets, okay, how we can use different kinds of icons in the bullets. So pretty much a lot of things about bullets we saw. So that's all for this video, and please do like, share and subscribe to the channel if you found it useful, and thanks for watching.